Good afternoon. This is Jeff Goldstein with themeasuredmove.com. Today is Monday, 12:42 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We're taking a look at the Euro E-mini futures contract. This is the continuous contract trading at 138.76. After we gapped up at yesterday's open, the spot FX market was trading at around 140. Since then, we've reversed and have filled that gap, coming in now into our Friday entries. This 50% long entry with targets at new highs at the 138.84. I'm sorry, 138.34. Substantial move is also setting up here. This chart is still very bullish. I know there's a lot of people out there trying to pick tops here on this euro, and it has proven just to blow up in their face every time. So I wouldn't start here. We're trading the trend, and we'll continue along that path until this fails completely. None of these 15-minute trades have failed. The daily is still long. And we have substantial targets above us. If I look at a daily chart, the daily chart really doesn't have anything really above this 140 area. And I think we can start talking about the 145 area as our next target. We're expecting continued weakness out of the dollar, and I don't think that's going to change anytime soon, given the Fed and it's stepping up and buying treasuries in another round of quantitative easing. Mortgage-backed securities, treasuries. So this is all going to be dollar weakness, and they're inflating the equity market. There's been no resolution out of the IMF, so it doesn't look like we're turning the corner fundamentally. Would I be surprised at some pullbacks here in the dollar index like we're having today on a Columbus Day where the banks are closed? Sure. But I think the path of least resistance right now is lower for the U.S. dollar. Let's take a look at the S&P 500. And you can see that we are pressing on these 1165 highs, which was our prior target area from this entry at the 1131 50% long. And it is a quiet trade today, given the fact that it is Columbus Day and it's a bank holiday. I am not trading this today. I am anticipating a choppy session, potentially some type of a pullback into our next setup. This can come in and around all the way back down to these 55 areas. I'm just anticipating some type of a chop, and I don't want to really waste my time with that. For this afternoon, that is all. I'll be back later this afternoon at around 4:30, 5 o'clock with an update. Take a look at that euro and see kind of where we are. Trading 138.79. Entries are down here at these 138.30 area. And again, the target's above at 141.09. That's it. This is Jeff Goldstein with themeasuredmove.com. And I look forward to talking to you later on. Take care.